What is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing is expressing an idea in your own words and not copying them exactly from another source. Copying words exactly from another source is called plagiarism. For example, if I were to rephrase the question, what are some examples of paraphrasing? One solution might be, can you provide samples of paraphrase statements? Another solution might be, how can I express an idea in my own words? That is, how can I paraphrase a source material? Paraphrasing the comment your book is not good. Might be, your book is open to improvement. Diplomacy is the art of paraphrasing. Is changing one word paraphrasing? No, it's not. The more words you change, the better it is. But be courageous. Have more confidence in your abilities and resourcefulness. Change 2 words, 4 words, 10 words. Try every which way and see what comes out. Don't be afraid to experiment with different paraphrasing solutions. The more paraphrasing examples you generate, the higher the chances are you'll come up with something that both expresses the original idea and also belongs to you, since you changed enough words to make the new statement your own. However, never forget to provide reference to the original material if the idea or quotation you are paraphrasing is unique or famous enough. Like, we have nothing to fear but fear itself. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.